how to move photos from iCloud to iPhone storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move photos and videos from your iCloud to your iPhone storage. Whether you are freeing up your iCloud space or just simply want your files saved locally on your phone, I've got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the settings and tap on your name at the top. And from here, scroll down and tap on iCloud. Now, depending on your iOS version, you will either see iCloud Plus at the top or an option called Manage Account Storage. Simply tap on that. At the time I'm making this video, my iCloud storage is full, but you can simply tap on that. Now the next step is to check how much space your photos are taking in iCloud. You can see I have about 5 GB of photos stored here. Before moving them to your iPhone, make sure you have enough space on your device to store all those files. To check your phone available space, go back to the main screen and tap on General. And in General section, tap on iPhone Storage. And here you can see how much storage is available on your phone. For me, I have about 23 GB of free space, which is enough to move all my photos from iCloud to my phone. If your phone is running low on space, you will need to delete some files or apps before proceeding. And once you have confirmed you have enough space, let's go back to the iCloud section in the settings. Tap on Photos, which is midway down on the list, and here you will see two options. One is to download and keep originals. By selecting this will download all your full resolution photos and videos to your phone while keeping them in iCloud. Or you can simply turn off sync this iPhone if you want to remove the photos from iCloud after downloading them to your phone. Simply toggle off sync this iPhone at the top and you will be prompted to download photos and videos. Simply tap on stop updating and turn off option, and this will download everything to your iPhone and delete it from your iCloud. And after the download process is complete, all your photos and videos will be saved locally on your phone. If you have chosen to turn off syncing, they will no longer be stored in iCloud, freeing up space in your iCloud account. Remember, this means that if anything happens to your phone, those files won't be backed up unless you enable another backup method like Google Photos or an external storage device. And that's it. Now you know how to move your photos and videos from iCloud to your iPhone. If you have any question or run into issue, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.